Hello students, how are you? Students, we are discussing about applications of Gauss theorem, or in the last video we discussed about the one application, that is electric field due to one infinite thin set of charges. It means we find the electric field due to infinite thin set of charges, or in that case we have only one set, but today we have two thin infinite set of charges. It means we have to find electric field with the help of Gauss theorem, and these are the two infinite thin set of charges. We have to find electric field due to these two sets. So beta, in the previous cases we discussed that if we have only one set, let's say this is the one set only, then due to this thin set we have electric field that was given by sigma by 2 epsilon naught. This was the previous case of the topic. This was discussed yesterday. We get sigma by 2 epsilon naught is the electric field due to one thin set. But if this thin set was thick, अगर ये sheet thick होती, मोटी होती, तो we find sigma by 2 epsilon naught plus sigma by 2 epsilon naught, then we get sigma by epsilon naught. This was the result when this single sheet was the thick, अगर ये thick थी. Now today we have two thin sheet placed parallel to each other. लीजिए, this is one sheet, this is another sheet, both have the surface charge density sigma 1, each have charge density sigma 2. Now you know this sheet have two faces, one is forward and one is backward. So we have electric field E1 is due to front side, and also we have electric field back side, and we can say that some electric field passes through this sheet also. Now due to the second sheet we have electric field E2 in this side, E2 back side, and some electric field is also passes through this thick sheet. Now we get three region, region 1, region 2, region 3. We have three regions beta. We will find electric field. We know electric field due to single sheet, that is sigma by 2 epsilon naught, but first sheet having surface charge density sigma 1, then electric field is sigma 1 upon 2 epsilon naught. Now electric field due to second sheet having surface charge density sigma 2, that is 2 epsilon naught. So we have electric field due to separate sheets E1 and E2. Also we have three regions here, region 1, region 2 and region 3. We can say that the region 1 contain the electric field due to both sheets in minus x axis, and region 3 contain the electric field in the plus x axis, and also region 2 contain the electric field one along plus x axis and another along minus x axis. So we can write here net electric field in region 1. In region 1 की बात करें, in region 1 net electric field is equal to, both are along minus x axis, so we can write minus E1 minus E2. We can write like this one because both are in minus x axis. Taking minus common here, we get E1 plus E2. Okay, now E1, what is the value of E1? Sigma 1 upon 2 epsilon naught plus sigma 1 plus sigma 2 upon 2 epsilon naught. This was the electric field. This was the electric field in the region first. Okay, in the region first. So right here result number 1. This is the region 1 case. Now taking the second region. In second region E1 is along plus x axis, E2 is along minus x axis. Net electric field will be E1 is positive and E2 is negative. Putting the value of E1 and E2, once again we get sigma 1 upon 2 epsilon naught minus sigma 2 upon 2 epsilon naught. This is the case of electric field in the second region. And if we take the case of third one, in the third region both electric field are along plus x axis. We can write here in region 3 we have net electric field is equal to, both are plus axis, the E1 plus E2. Okay, तो वी कैन राइट हेयर सिग्मा 1 अपॉन 2 एप्सिलॉन नॉट प्लस सिग्मा 2 अपॉन 2 एप्सिलॉन नॉट। तो यहाँ से भी हम लिख सकते हैं E1 इज इक्वल टू टेकिंग 2 पाई एप्सिलॉन नॉट कॉमन आ जाएगा, सिग्मा 1 माइनस सिग्मा 2, यहाँ से ये रिजल्ट निकल जाता है। और इफ़ वी सोल्व दिस वन वी गेट E इज इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन 2 एप्सिलॉन नॉट सिग्मा 1 प्लस sigma 2. So we have three cases here. This was the case number 3, this was the case number 2, and this was the case number 1. This was the electric field due to these two sheets, parallel thin sheet having infinite charge density. We get the third region, first, second and third. In the first region we get the electric field given by this equation, we get the electric field given by this equation, and we get the electric field given by this equation. But if we take here a special case, if we take here a special case, and case is that if both sheet having equal surface density but of opposite sign, ठीक है। अब अगर हम केस क्या लेके चलें, if we take here case, स्पेशल केस ले लेते हैं यहीं पर, टेकिंग द स्पेशल केस इज दैट इफ बोथ sheets having same charge density but of opposite sign, यहाँ पे स्पेशल केस ले लिया मैंने इसी के अंदर, if both sheets having same charge density but of opposite sign, you can say that this having plus sigma and this having minus sigma. तो we can replace sigma 1 and sigma 2 by plus sigma minus sigma. तो इन इक्वेशन नंबर 1 इसमें पुट कीजिएगा आप, तो we get electric field in the region 1, माइनस बाहर ही है, सिग्मा 1 को पुट करेंगे प्लस सिग्मा 2 को माइनस सिग्मा, तो वी गेट द रिजल्ट सिग्मा अपॉन 2 एप्सिलॉन नॉट, और यहाँ पे कितना आ जाएगा जी माइनस सिग्मा अपॉन 2 एप्सिलॉन नॉट। तो दिस वाज द जीरो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड। तो